how much should you actually spend on an immersion blender? Because you can find some that are super cheap and others that cost a fortune. But the truth is, price doesn't always mean quality. Let's dig deeper into what really matters. Product number 1, Tyreller 1100W Immersion Blender. First up, we have the Tyreller Immersion Blender, which comes in at $45.51. What caught my attention here is its powerful 1100W motor, which claims to create velvety smooth purees in seconds. If you want a reliable blender for soups and smoothies, this is worth a serious look. It's also equipped with a unique blade guard to protect your cookware from scratches. Plus, more than 10,000 people bought this in the last month, indicating it's gaining popularity. Now, some people complained about it being a bit heavy for prolonged use. Here's the thing though, if you're only using it for short bursts, it's not a deal breaker. Just know it might not be the best fit if you have wrist issues. This is perfect for you if you're a home cook who values power and versatility in your kitchen tools. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight or compact. For a blend of power and price, it's a solid pick. Product number 2, OVENTE 300W Immersion Blender. Now, if the Tyreller's weight is a concern, check out the OVENTE 300W Immersion Blender for only $16.43. The sleek design and lightweight build really caught my eye. If you want something easy to handle for quick tasks, this is worth a closer look. The stainless steel construction means it's durable and easy to clean. And guess what? It's perfect for busy mornings or when you need something quick and nutritious. However, some users mentioned it struggles with tougher ingredients. But honestly, if you're mainly blending soft fruits or vegetables, you should be just fine. It won't handle large chunks of ice like a champ though. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option for everyday blending tasks. Skip this one if you plan on blending hard ingredients frequently. For the price, it's a fantastic deal. Product number 3, ZKBHOME 1100W Immersion Blender. Next up, we have the ZKBHOME 1100W Immersion Blender, priced at $33.67. This one caught my attention because it offers a powerful motor and multiple attachments. If you're looking for a reliable multitasker, this is definitely worth considering. The all-in-one design comes with a whisk and milk frother, making it super versatile for various kitchen tasks. This is particularly useful if you want to whip cream or froth milk for coffee in a pinch. However, some users found the attachments a bit tricky to detach. Here's the thing, though, if you're using it frequently, you'll get the hang of it pretty quickly. It could be a hassle for occasional users, but most will appreciate the performance. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile blender that can handle multiple tasks in the kitchen. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler design without the extra attachments. For what it offers, it's a great value. Product number 4, OVENTE Red 300W Immersion Blender. Alright, let's look at another OVENTE option, this time their Red 300W Immersion Blender, which is priced at $16.23. What I liked here is the color and ergonomic design, which makes it a stylish addition to any kitchen. If you want something that balances aesthetics with functionality, take a look at this. The detachable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze, always a plus in my book. Plus, it has a non-slip grip that keeps it steady while blending. Now, some people mentioned it's not as powerful as other models, especially for heavy-duty tasks. But for everyday blending, this should work just fine. If you're not planning on making anything too chunky, it's a solid pick. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a stylish yet functional blender for light tasks. Skip this one if you need something that can handle tougher blending jobs. For its price, it's hard to beat. Product number 5, Braun Multi Quick 7 Immersion Blender. Finally, let's talk about the Braun Multi Quick 7, priced at $139.08. Right off the bat, this one has a premium feel to it, and it's highly recommended by America's Test Kitchen. If you want the best of the best for your kitchen, this should be on your radar. This blender features the world's first easy smart speed technology, allowing you to control the speed without predefined settings. The 500-watt motor combined with active blade technology provides 250% more cutting surface, which means it handles tough ingredients like a pro. Plus, the splash control tech keeps your kitchen clean while you blend. However, the price is definitely a downside for some. I'll be real with you, if you're just starting out or have a tight budget, this might not be the best fit. But if you want something that will last and perform exceptionally, it's worth it. This is perfect for you if you're serious about cooking and want a powerful immersion blender. Skip this one if you're looking for a more affordable option for occasional use. It's a real investment, but for serious cooks, it makes sense. So there you have it, 5 solid immersion blenders to fit different needs and budgets. Whether you're looking for something basic like the OVE and TE models or a powerhouse like the Braun Multi-Quick 7, there's an option here for everyone. No matter which one you choose, you'll be well equipped to tackle all your blending tasks.